iPhone 13, a true masterpiece. Still one of the most advanced iPhones yet. Get ready to explore. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. First up, we have the display. The iPhone 13 comes with a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display offering breathtaking colors and sharpness. Whether you are watching videos, playing games or browsing your favorite content, this display will simply blow you away. Now, let's talk about the performance. Powering the iPhone 13 is a groundbreaking A15 Bionic chip. This is the fastest chip ever in iPhones. It delivers blazing fast speeds and handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Multitasking, gaming and app usage have never been smoother. The iPhone 13's camera system is truly a game changer. With a dual camera setup featuring a 12 megapixel wide lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, you can capture stunning shots with exceptional detail. Plus, the advanced night mode ensures your low light photos look absolutely phenomenal. Battery life is always a concern, right? Well, fear not. Apple has optimized the power management on the iPhone 13 combined with the efficient A15 Bionic chip. The result? Even longer battery endurance. So you can stay connected and entertained all day long. Apple never disappoints when it comes to software, and the iPhone 13 is no exception. It comes with the latest iOS 15 packed with new features. It is packed with new features like enhanced privacy controls, redesigned widgets and improved FaceTime experiences. You will love the seamless integration and user-friendly interface. As for durability, the iPhone 13 has got you covered. It features the Apple's renowned ceramic shield at the front cover, making it more drop resistant than ever. So you can keep your mind at ease even if accident happens. And there is more. The iPhone 13 supports MagSafe accessories, offering you a whole new world of convenience. From wireless charging to easily attachable magnetic accessories, the possibilities are endless. That concludes our today's video. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.